Hi everyone, I'm Cheryl and welcome back to Living Well After 50. And today we are talking about a question that I get all the time as a realtor. And that question is 60 too late to sell my home? Well, actually, it's the perfect time to make a CEO level move like selling your home. So let's talk about why. So let's talk about what I call right sizing and why it can be a smart financial decision for you at this stage in your life. First, let's talk about equity. Many of us have been in our homes for 20 or 30 years, so that means that we all have a massive amount of trapped wealth and a lot of equity there. So you can use this equity to potentially move into a smaller home, a home that's newer, safer, or more stylish, and no stairs. Second, consider maintenance as a CEO of your life. Your time is your most valuable currency. Every hour that you spend on making repairs and renovating is an hour that you aren't spending on your business, your family, or your travel. So, right sizing isn't downsizing, it's about upgrading your freedom. So, my professional advice to this question is don't wait for life to change to force your hand. Start researching what your equity is and what the market is in your area. So, look at your home as a tool to fund the life that you actually want to live today. If you're wondering what your home is worth in today's market, drop it in the comments below and I'll get back to you. I would love to help you navigate this process. I'm Cheryl and I'll see you in the next video. And until then, stay stylish, stay secure, and keep leading your life.